Hey there traders, it's time for my week in review, and it's the end of the month, so we'll go over my month in review at the end of this video, so stick around to the end. But for right now, I'll show you the trades that I did and my thought processes along the way. I'm happy to share my journey with people. Hope it helps with showing my successes and my mistakes, and you can learn from my mistakes maybe instead of making your own. So let's jump into it. All right, so it is Tuesday, May 28th, and it's a short week this week. Yesterday, Monday, was Memorial Day, so the market was closed. But these are the trades I'm taking this week. It's a short week, so only 3 days until Friday. But my first trade is going to be set up on SoFi. My cost to acquire this was $7 for these 100 shares. And the price is pushing up to that, pretty close to $6.98, so I'm going to go sell call. Expires on Friday in 3 days, and I'm going to choose the $7 strike price just to just unload this if I can. I'll collect a $9 premium there. I'll put that on my sheet. So that's a 41 delta. I don't really care if these shares get called away, so I'm happy with that. Next up is Palantir. I've got 400 shares of this. My average cost to acquire those is $23.38. So I'm going to go trade options, sell call. There's really not a lot of premium here in the 3 days from now. So I'm going to go out another week. That's 10 days. And at the 23.50 for 400 shares, I can collect 7 cents per share. So that would be $28 for Palantir. If these were called away, that would be at my cost at least. I like the stock and I want to hold on to it, and but I'll be happy to make premium along the way, so I'll just put that in my sheet now. Okay, it is Thursday, May 30th, and tomorrow's the expiration for some of my options, like this AI. I've got a call out for 2 contracts at the $29.50 strike price, and the price has really shot up. Just in the past, since yesterday, it's shot way up, and still going up again. So I'm selling these below my cost. My cost is $32.25, and my option is for $29.5. And I don't want to let these go. I lose a lot of money, so I think I'm going to try to roll this out. And I'm going to go up from 29.5 to, I'm going to go out a week and up to, let's go up by like $1 at least. I did try to go to my cost of 32.5, and it just didn't fill. It's not enough volume. The delta is too low. Nobody wanted to take me up on the offer to buy that option. So I'm going to go up just by $1 here at 31.5. Delta is 0.09, and I could make $12 per share. I'd have to buy these back at 9, so that might fill. Let's go look at here. It says low fill likelihood, but we'll give it a shot. I would still make a credit of $5.88 per contract, so I'm going to go ahead and do this order. Buy to close 29.5, sell to open 31.5. All right, so we'll see. This should be a pending order. We'll see if it fills. So that order did not fill, and what I had to do was go out another week. You can see here I went out to June 14th, 15 days. I had to buy these back for $28 for 2 contracts, so $28 each. My new position on 6/14 to sell to open at $37 per contract, so I made a little money there. $9 credit per contract, so made $18 in more premium, and I rolled this up to my cost of acquisition, or close to it, 32. That's pretty close, and I feel much more comfortable and not having to watch this so much. So it's out a couple of weeks. I'll just kind of keep an eye on this, and you can see here in my sheet I've got this AI that is expiring 5/31. I rolled this out. I had collected 152 from the previous roll, but I had to buy it back for 128. This time I had to buy it back for 56, and I can see I rolled it down to here and collected 74, so the difference is that $18. And so that's good. I collected a little more premium, rolled this out by a couple weeks and up close to my cost of acquisition. Other trades this week, this Unity software, this expired. I collected $20 for that. This is well below my cost of acquisition. The strike was $24, and I believe my cost of acquisition on these is like $30. Soundhound, I just keep on collecting premium for this. Stock is down below my cost, so just trying to wait for the market to come around and on this one, and I'm going to get rid of it at some point. It's kind of a dog. I'm not sure if it's ever going to come back. At some point, I might just dump it, take the loss, and redeploy the capital. WBD, and this one, I collected $8 premium there. This also expired. The strike was $8.50. That's at my cost. PLTR, I did a new put to maybe acquire some more shares and to maybe average down my average cost of acquisition. So the strike price was $20.50, and I collected $22 premium. I did a buy to close just to free up the capital, so I don't have to wait the weekend to redeploy and make a new trade. I can make trades right away. It cost me $1 to buy that back, and this AI, like we said, rolled that out. This SoFi expired, collected $9 premium there, and so got this new PLTR expiring 6/7 and AI expiring 6/14. Now it's the end of the month, and I've collected 1,145 and some change, and so that's well above my goal of 1,000 per month. So I'm really happy with that. The market's been kind of tough. All my capital's been tied up in these stocks, so I'm trying to just do covered calls on them. I might add a little more money to my portfolio for this month and be able to do maybe a couple more cash secured puts. But I don't want to be in a position where I am now where I'm deploying all my capital. I want to have some dry powder to be able to make moves and be able to cover myself if there's problems. That's it for this week, and that's it for this month. So we will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit subscribe and like this video if you got something out of it. Really helps the channel, and if there's anything you want to see, let me know in the comments below and I'll make a video about it. Thanks.